You might think you know exactly what men want in a relationship. You've probably heard all about the usual things: affection, respect, communication. But what if I told you there are certain things that most men secretly love, and yet only a very small percentage of women actually do them? That's right. These are the things that can make you stand out to him in ways you never imagined. But here's the catch. Most women miss these subtle cues or think they're not important. And that's why many relationships feel stuck or unfulfilled. In this video, I'm going to reveal 9 things men absolutely love, but only 1% of women do. Make sure to stick around until the end, because you won't want to miss the final tip. It's a game changer. Number 1. Silent support. Men, just like anyone else, appreciate support. But sometimes that support doesn't need words. Picture this. Your partner's working on a project at home, completely focused. Instead of bombarding him with questions or advice, just be there. Sit beside him, offer a cup of coffee, maybe a snack. Your presence speaks louder than any words could. Or imagine him reading on the couch, no need to interrupt with small talk. Pick up your own book or simply relax with him in silence. It's not awkward, it's comforting. It shows that you respect his need for quiet time. And those moments when he's lost in thought, don't rush him to talk. Sit next to him, maybe hold his hand or rest your head on his shoulder. Your silent support is everything. It's a peaceful connection that goes beyond words. So next time you're together and words escape you, remember, just being there is often the most powerful way to show you care. Number 2. Encouraging friendships. Here's a scenario. Your partner's meeting up with his friends for game night. Instead of feeling left out or jealous, why not support him? Show interest in his plans, ask about his friends, and maybe even suggest bringing snacks. It's a way of showing you care about his social life, and it builds trust. If he wants to catch up with an old friend, encourage him. Offer to drive him or help set up the meeting. When he's spending time with his buddies, use that time for yourself, maybe a girls' night out or a spa day. Encouraging his friendships not only shows that you trust him, but it also strengthens your bond. Remember, when you support his social circle, you're supporting his happiness, and your relationship flourishes as a result. Number 3. Patience during stressful times. Patience is everything, especially when he's going through tough times. Let's say your partner's stressed at work. Instead of rushing him or getting frustrated, offer your calm presence. Trust that he'll find his own solutions and give him space. If he's moody or overwhelmed, don't escalate the situation. Instead, practice empathy. Understand that sometimes he just needs time to breathe. By being patient, you help create a safe space for him to express himself. A calm and supportive partner is priceless. And remember, communication is key. Share your feelings calmly and constructively and work through challenges as a team. Number 4. Mastering active listening. The second thing men value, active listening. When he speaks, really listen. It's not about offering solutions or advice immediately. It's about letting him know that you're present and engaged with what he's saying. The ability to actively listen shows that you value his thoughts and feelings, creating a deeper emotional connection. Next time you're with him, remember this. Sometimes silence speaks louder than words. Your presence, your willingness to simply be there, can mean more than any advice or solution you might offer. Number 5. Appreciating his efforts to improve. Men love to improve themselves, whether it's hitting the gym, learning new skills, or growing personally. Recognizing these efforts, no matter how small, goes a long way. Let's say he's started a fitness routine. Acknowledge his commitment. A simple "I'm proud of you" can motivate him more than you think. Maybe he's taking courses or working on personal growth. Show genuine interest. Celebrate his progress. Let him know you appreciate his efforts and that you're by his side every step of the way. The small victories matter. A simple "well done" can boost his confidence and keep him motivated. Number 6. Involvement in financial planning. Getting involved in financial planning may seem daunting, but it can actually bring you closer. Instead of letting him handle everything, take an active role. Discuss budgeting, saving, and setting goals together. Show you're a team. If you both have different spending habits, that's okay. Talk it out, find a balance, and plan together. Whether it's saving for a house or retirement, these conversations build a foundation for the future. Handling unexpected expenses as a team? Even better. Discussing financial decisions openly reduces stress and strengthens your relationship. Trust me, a couple who plans finances together stays together. Number 7. Adding value to their lives. Men are naturally drawn to partners who bring value into their lives, whether it's the ability to balance their personality or possess traits they might lack. Men seek someone who complements them. For example, introverted men often find themselves attracted to extroverted women, and vice versa. The balance creates a fulfilling partnership. Some men may prefer independent, career-driven women, while others might value a stay-at-home partner. The key is that men want someone who fits into their ideal life, enhancing it in unique ways. Number 8. Receiving graciously. One of the most cherished qualities in a relationship is graciousness. Men take pride in making their partner's life better, whether it's through gifts, support, or thoughtful gestures. If a man compliments you, even if you feel uncomfortable, it's important to receive it graciously. This shows that you appreciate his effort, no matter how small the gesture may seem. When you accept his love and gifts without hesitation, it reinforces his desire to make you happy and creates a deeper emotional connection. Number 9. Being pleasable. Men are naturally motivated to please their partners, and they take satisfaction in making you happy. When a man does something for you, such as buying a gift or doing something helpful, he wants to see that it made a positive impact. Complaining about the small things, like a slightly spilled drink or a gift that doesn't fit your style, can make him feel like he's failing. Men want to know they've succeeded in making you smile. So, focusing on what brings you joy will in turn make your partner feel proud and fulfilled. Conclusion. So, there you have it. 9 things men love, but only a small percentage of women truly understand. From adding value to their lives, graciously receiving their gestures and trusting them, to letting them lead and showing unwavering loyalty, these are the qualities that can turn a good relationship into a great one. Incorporate these subtle yet powerful behaviors into your relationship, and you'll be well on your way to building a deeper, more lasting connection.